How to contact Western Union customer support. Welcome to the channel, and let's start with a tutorial. Open up a browser on your PC or on your mobile device and search for Western Union support. Tap on the first suggestion, that is contact customer service. You will get three of the methods to contact the Western Union customer service. First is chatting, second is giving a call, and third is finding a location. That means finding a branch near you. So you can use this method according to the feasibility and your preference. So right here, if you tap on chat with us, you'll be able to contact with a live agent and discuss your problem, and they will list out some of the instructions that you have to follow to solve the issue. You can give a call on the designated phone number displayed right here, and you can even talk out with a representative and follow the instruction given. If not, you can even walk in the branch nearby you by tapping on find a location. Tap on the chat icon to chat with the bot. Select a pre-prompt that describes your issue, and then the bot will suggest you some of the instruction that you have to follow along according to your issue guidance or according to your preference. For a walk-in solution session, tap on find a location. Then it will display a map something like this where you can place your address and it will locate nearby Western Union branch office for you. You can walk in there and discuss the options of solution with the representative. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.